Introducing Guyabano, Annona muricata of the family Annonaceae. Guyabano is a small 3 to 6 meters tall. Leaves are alternate obovate, leathery dark glossy green, 15 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. The flowers are large and yellowish with 6 fleecy petals and spreading to 5 centimeters across. Fruits are ovoid to irregular, oblong, 20 centimeters long, dark green, and covered with short, fleecy, and juicy spines. The seeds are black. Guyabano is native to tropical America. It was introduced to the Philippines during the early Spanish period and has spread throughout the country. It is propagated by seeds or by marketing. Traditional medicinal uses of Guyabano have been identified in tropical regions to treat diverse ailments such as fever, pain, respiratory and skin illness, internal and external parasites, bacterial infections, hypertension, inflammation, diabetes, and cancer. More than 200 chemical compounds have been identified and isolated from this plant, the most important being alkaloids, phenols, and acetogenins. Using in vitro studies, extracts and phytochemicals of Guyabano have been characterized as an antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-protozoan, antioxidant, insecticide, larvicide, and cytotoxic to tumor cells. In vivo studies of the crude extracts and isolated compounds of Guyabano were shown to possess anxiolytic, anti-stress, anti-inflammatory, contraceptive, anti-tumoral, anti-ulceric, bone healing, hepatoprotective, anti-icteric, and hypoglycemic activities.